In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create Amazon affiliate product AI videos. And this is the result of this tutorial.
Best purchase of the year, this tumbler. I put ice in it in the morning and the water is still freezing at night. Plus it's gorgeous. Link in my profile.
So to create that video, first we need to go to Novo Ads AI. The link of this site is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here. And here, what we will do is that we will create an image of a girl with a product. And then with that, we will create the video. So let's go to the image section. Here, we will go to settings, change the model to GPT image 2. And here, I prefer to use the medium quality because it's much cheaper than the high quality. Now we have to go to reference and upload an image of our product. So let's click here. And now here, I'm going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section and you can modify it as you want to your products. So now let's click here. And now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect. Here we have the images. And now we have to choose the one we like the most. Personally, I like this one. So we have to click here where it says use as a start frame. And now here we need to click in settings. In model, we're going to use the model Clink 3.0. And in duration, for this video, I'm going to use 10 seconds. But you can modify it. Now here, where it says describe your video, I'm going to use the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section. And now we have to click here. Now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 5 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. So now let's see it.
Best purchase of the year, this tumbler. I put ice in it in the morning and the water is still freezing at night. Plus it's gorgeous. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot, the video. It looks really realistic. The lip sync was really good. And the ad in general was really good. So if you want to do a video like this one, I want to tell you that in Novo Ads, we have an offer that you can try the platform for just $1. With that, you will receive 10 credits. And for example, the video that we did, if we go to videos, settings, you can see that had a cost of 5 credits. That means that you could do 2 videos like this one for just $1. So I recommend you to try the platform. And if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section and see you in the next video.